Hey everybody, Bob Crock again from Superior Toyota here. Wanted to go over a little bit today on the pre-collision system and kind of what it is and how to use it and how to customize it. Okay, so again, I've got to go right now. I'm in pairing window 1, 2, so I want to go into 3 where I have my settings. To get into settings, select and hold OK for about a second and a half to get into the setup. Hold again and release to get into the settings. Okay, this is where we customize. So, pre-collision system, what is it? While you are driving, your Toyota, if it's turned on and equipped with pre-collision system, is projecting a radar cone about 400 feet out in front of your car looking for trouble. The radar and your camera work in conjunction with each other to look for trouble out there, okay? So if someone comes to an immediate stop in front of you, pulls out in front of you, either way, if that radar and camera come to the conclusion there is a high probability of a collision, you're going to get a warning come across your screen. Brake, big red letters, B-R-A-K-E, to get your attention. Start applying the brakes now. If you don't do so, it will do so for you to start slowing you down significantly. Okay, it's not designed to stop. It is designed to start slowing you down significantly because this does have the analog brake, so this thing will slow down a lot faster than you could even imagine that you could ever perform. Okay, also embedded in your pre-collision system is pedestrian detection. Toyota's programmed over 20,000 images of people in that camera, okay? So it will instantly see a pedestrian. If it does see that pedestrian register, it will also go through that pre-collision system protocol, and given that your proper speed, depending upon speed and distance between you and them, that is designed to hopefully stop before you hit the pedestrian, or again, very significantly slow down. Pre-collision system is not programmed with deer, folks. So Toyota Crown's sold around the world, so we would have to program gorillas, camels, sheep, yak, whatever, okay? So, but it is designed for that. Okay, pre-collision system also, to customize it, again, select and hold OK for about a second and a half to get into the system settings. This is where you can adjust the warning timing, also aka the sensitivity of the pre-collision system, and if by some chance you ever need to turn it off, this is where you do it. And if you even try to turn it off, it's going to say, are you sure? When would you ever need to adjust these? If you are driving in a heavy snowstorm, I have heard this on some of the older models of the pre-collision system, that if you're driving in a heavy snowstorm, if snowflakes are coming at that camera, it may confuse that as objects coming at your vehicle. So that's when you may want to try turning down the sensitivity or the timing of it, or just turning the entire system off, but only in a worst case scenario, okay? Any questions, please feel free to comment, like, and follow. Thanks.